Today I'm going to show you how to make quiz video in Canva. Go to create a design, type TikTok video, go to design and type quiz and choose any template you want. Let's choose the first one. Go to gemini.google.com and type generate a quiz game about learning English. Make 10 questions and four suggestions for each question and the right answer. Make all in a table and click submit. And click export to sheets. Open sheets. Go back to Canva and go to apps and type bulk. Click on bulk create. Click enter data manually. Scroll down. Click on clear table. Go back to our file. Select all. Copy and paste and click done. Click in the question, click on connect data and select question. The first suggestion, connect data A, connect data B, connect data C, connect data D. Open new page and type correct answer. You can change the font and copy the first answer and decrease the timing to just 2 seconds. Go back to bulk create and click continue generating designs. And here is the results. Here is the question and the suggestions, and here is the answer. And you can add your music to your video by uploading from here and drag the music to the timeline. And download the video. Go to share, download. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.